Russian friend, and it's Russian for foreigners today. So today's lesson about food. What I have in my hands, it's a yogurt and bananas. So maybe it would be good for the breakfast. But let's speak about Russian traditional breakfast and dinner. So if you are so hungry, you can say, are you hungry? In Russian you can say, ты голоден? Ты голоден? Or do you wanna eat something? Ты хочешь есть? Ты хочешь есть? Why are you asking about that? Maybe because you wanna invite me for some dinner or breakfast. Let's go for the coffee, or let's go to drink something. Okay, I'm not drinking, but can be one day. So when you are hungry, you can say ты голоден? Голоден. Ты голоден? Or ты хочешь есть? Do you wanna eat? Ты хочешь? Ты хочешь есть? Есть. Ты хочешь есть? So, when starting the day, you can eat breakfast. Breakfast in Russian, завтрак. 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 After that, you can go for the lunch, and it can be so heavy, with a soup, meat, bread. So for us it's more important. Breakfast has to be heavy, and lunch also. So I have my friend, he's from Canada. He is always asking me, why guys are you so starving at the breakfast? Like you can eat the elephant. Oh my god. For us it's a normal to eat soup, potato, with a bread, with a meat, with whatever can be. For us it can be a breakfast. Maybe if it's a dinner, we can eat some salad, maybe drink some juice with a toast to be on fit. But it depends on the person, of course. So lunch, обед, обед, обед. And of course Russian traditional borscht and soup we can eat at the lunch. Борщ на обед, soup на обед. So what do you have at the lunch? Борщ. I have борщ. Yeah, I love it. Я люблю борщ. But this борщ, okay, борщ, борщ can be with a garlic, with a bread. Of course it's good to have it maybe in winter, but we have of course another soup. I even try to, I can't explain how it's different, this soup. It's a окрошка. You have to put here some kvass. Kvass, it's like Russian traditional like liquid inside, or it can be kefir. Also you don't have kefir in another country, but we have it. It's like milk, but if you put your milk in a I don't know, in an oven and leave it for one day, it can be kefir after that. So okay, it also depends on the person who love it or who hate. So soap, it's important for Russian traditional cuisine. meat, of course. We are eating chicken, lamb, pork, everything what we are eatable. Eatable. This food is so eatable for us. So meat. Another what I like Russian, it's fruits. We have a lot of fruits, but I think now in 21st century we have it everywhere in the world because we have supermarkets and you can find it everywhere and everything what you have. But fruits we have фрукты. Also vegetables. We have vegetables. Okay, where is? Okay, vegetables. It can be cucumber, potato. Also, we like it. We like potato. Like, I don't know, every traditional dish included potato. Borscht, we have soup, we have inside, I mean, potato inside. So we're liking French fries, so mushrooms. Like we have everything, every cuisine what we have for dinner, for breakfast, for the lunch, where we can eat potato. Potato, картошка. So, картошка. So, овощи. Vegetables, овощи. Овощи. So, овощи we're eating with a salad or just cut it in a table. We are putting like so different like traditional dishes. So it can include it vegetables, meats, and of course we are like eating bread. So bread for us is so important. We're eating it with a soup, with meat, and just with a potato. If you're doing French fries, also we're eating just with the bread. We can eat it. So, of course, I know what I'm thinking about. Of course, you are thinking about drink. So, Violetta, every time people asking me, Violetta, are you drinking so much because you are Russian? I know you love it so much, you love vodka, but not. Listen, I've never tried before, so I never tried vodka, nobody knows, but really I'm still Russian. So vodka, it's a traditional Russian alcohol. Why you guys are thinking that we are so drinking a lot? We are drinking a lot Are you sneezing? It's me? If I'm sneezing, you have to say bless you. Or in Russian, будь здорова. Будь здорова. So if you are sneezing or you go to the dinner or breakfast, you have to be polite, right? And you have to say, enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. So in Russian, you can say приятного аппетита. Приятного аппетита. 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 So, and if you go just for the drinking, for enjoying with your friends to cafeterias or some club. You can drink, of course, but vodka, it's not just this traditional and useful alcohol in Russia. We can drink tea. For example, I love it, especially if so cold outside. I'm dying for the tea with a lemon, with some cake maybe, to have some energy and to make my body warm. Can you drink with me today? Okay, maybe let's go for coffee. Oh no, Russian doesn't like coffee. In our traditional, like, for example, breakfast, we can't think about like all the world thinking about coffee. We are not so love it. But if you go to do some manicure or some salon, massage salon, always people asking, do you want some coffee or tea? Just, I think, to be polite, really, because in Russia we love it if you are drinking some tea, or to be, how to say, to be polite, just to ask someone to invite you for their company. Okay, so if you are preparing for the dinner, breakfast or lunch, I can say with my Russian friend, приятного аппетита. So I hope this lesson can be enjoyable and useful for you, and we'll see you at the next lesson.